Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime review. So I recently ordered some stuff from like Amazon or something like that. And I recently received 2 of my things out of 3. 3, not 5. Okay, 3. And so I'm going to be doing a review of those things and the rest of the things that I have here. So yeah, let's get into that part of this video. Okay, so we're going on the floor again. I don't want a phone to fall, but like, blah. Who cares? Should I put my phone like up here instead? Yeah, I think it just make my face better. Okay. So the one thing that I'm excited for, like really excited for, is trying out my Daiso clay. Oh my god. So I ordered this Daiso clay I don't know, like 2 weeks ago, I guess. I got 2 of them. They're like $7 in total. Got 1 blue and 1 white. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this one. I'm gonna save the blue one for like later, but I'm gonna use the white one, not the entire thing. I'm gonna use like some of it for one of my Daiso clay slimes. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna make a video on that, and then I'm gonna make another video after that one of like the ASMR, something like that. So yeah, so excited to use these guys. So let's get to the next thing. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull out my bag, and I basically have like, I have like 2 slimes and they're not that big because I don't want to make too many. So then next thing that I got that was ordered, ow, I just hurt my leg, was some Flombeads. They're like colorful, they're really small. They're not that small, but like regular Flombeads that you can find at Michael's that are like white, these are like the size of them. They're just colored. So I got these off Amazon for like $2. So yeah, and I'm also getting 3rd package. I don't know really when, but I know that it's another, I think it was a giant Flombeads. I think they were orange. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what I ordered. Okay, so the rest of the things that I have in my little pink baggie, let me show you guys. So what I have in there, a lot more things. Okay, so these are the 2 slimes that I have made recently. This one's like jiggly. This one's not like jiggly like regular jiggly slime. That's made really thick. It put some, so I'm sorry for the background noise. My dad like screaming. I don't know, I think he's playing with the dog or something. I think he's playing with my brother, to be honest. Okay, so wait, trying to get the slime off the tap. Oh, I guess that's good enough. Okay, so this I put to make the slime, I just used regular white Elmer's glue. And then I put some I put cream into it, and then I put some white Elmer's glue, clear Elmer's glue, and I mix it all together with some contact lens solution. I'm pretty sure it came out like this, like really thickly, but it's really not that stretchy. It just breaks, but it's like really satisfying, the noises. I don't know. The glossy. I like the clicky noise that it makes, like. But yeah, it's not stretchy. But I like the satisfying noise that it makes, to be honest. But oh my god, like it's flarps. Okay, so that's one of the slimes. And other slime, I think I have actually like 5 slimes, to be honest. 2 from my Etsy slime shop, 2 from a Etsy slime box. I guess. And then these two, and then I have the same slime here, it just in a bigger bigger container. And then I also have one that I really don't like. It's like a diaper slime. All the crystals keep getting on my finger, so I think I'm gonna throw that one out and keep the container. So yeah, this is a butter slime that I put some foam into. You can see. It's stretchy. It's spreadable, I'm pretty sure, if you put some cream into it. But like, it has cream in it right now. It's just a little hard. Put some more cream into it. Like, I made this one with Model Magic. Sometimes Model Magic comes like really hard, so you have to put some cream into it before you put it into the slime. So yeah, I didn't do that, so that's why it came out hard. So there we go. Those are the two slimes. Okay, so the next thing that I want to show is my half a gallon of glue. It's glue all. I couldn't find school glue, so I'm just really sorry. This I know is thicker than regular school glue, so that's just a disappointment. But then I have another quarter gallon, which is the same problem. I couldn't find a school glue, so I had to buy glue all. So that is that. I think this is 6 ounces, to be honest. I can't really read it. It's like covering the bottom part, like the entire bottom part. Yeah, I can't read it, sorry. But yeah, I really can't read it. But these are just white styrofoam beads. The foam beads, they're just in a cup with a tap on it. It's a solo cup. Yeah, these are the cups. And then I just have an extra random container in there. I don't really know why. But some of the things are really the same from the last review, I'm pretty sure. This is the other bigger slime that I have, the green one. It's also foam in there. Okay, so that is that slime. And then the last one that I said I was gonna throw out is this one. It's like the top keeps getting like humidified, I think is the word. I don't really know. I'm not a grammar queen, so like it's because this slime was made with water. Like, it's so crispy. Oh my god, did you hear that? You can see how wet my fingers get after I touch it. Like, you get like so shiny. Like, I don't really know why. It's really gross. That's why I don't like slime. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this one out so I can throw it out after I'm done with this video, because like I hate it. I mean, I like the crispy noises, but I want to make like a bubbly slime, to be honest. Those are so cool. So yeah, so those are that. I'm gonna put this slime back in there. Sorry for the loud thump. My pants just ripped. Like my knee. Okay, so I don't know how to put this organized back. Sorry for the like late silence. Alright, so this is that bag. I have another part where I have more slimes, so let's get into that part. Oh, okay. Okay, so the next part's where I have slime materials is under my bed, so let's get some of those. So this is my glue bucket sort of ish. So here I have some clear glue pens. This is purple glitter that I bought in Brooklyn. This is you can see the ounces right there. Where it focuses. Does it focus? I don't really know, but it says like. Wait, did it just focused? Okay, so that many ounces, I can't really read that right now. Too lazy. Okay, so I have these of the same. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those with that many ounces. Let me just show you the ounces again, just to make sure. To focus, like I can't really tell. I'm really bad at making this. Yeah, there we go. That's fluid ounces. It's not focus again. Okay, so that is it. And then in here, I also have a 9-ounce. Why is it not focusing? Oh my god, I hate when it doesn't focus. Like, I can't even make it focus because, like, this is a phone and I don't really know much about cameras. So, but this is 9 fluid ounces. Okay, focus now. This is Clear Elmer's transparent glue. So yeah, that's how many ounces I have of those. And then I just have like one a regular bottle of glue in here that I used like halfway. And then we have another box, famous neon box that I have. Okay, so this is used for all my clear slime, except this one, this gain. Okay, so I have 5 fluid ounces, 5 fluid ounces of Elmer's clear glue. I have 1 here, 1 there, and 1 right there. So yeah, that's what I have in here. I have 2 twin bottles of contact lens solution. I have 1 bottle of Gain detergent. I have some food coloring right here. I have measuring cup. I have a little spoon to mix the contact lens solution with the baking soda, which is this, inside of here. So I mix that together, and then these are the 2 Etsy Slime Shop box slimes. So yeah, okay. And now I have another box. Of course I do, right? So in this one, I have multiple stuff. So let me start with the simple stuff. So here I have 1 can of shaving cream. Here I have some accessories for my slimes. This is acrylic accessories. That's what it says. I don't really know what that means, but they're like iridescent. I don't know if it's iridescent. They're just like hearts. They don't have any color. They're just that. They're like glass on it. And it's not real glass, obviously, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Then I have some Play-Doh. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is used to make slime. This can go into slime and it melts, and then you put some more detergent and makes like a really doughy slime. Then these are multi-purpose erasers for Jelly Cube slime. These are old phone cases. I don't really know why I have it here. This is a solo container that's like 5 ounces. And I don't know how many ounces these are, but I have multiple of these. So let me just put the camera other way. Hey guys. Okay. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I have 9 of those, and I have 9 taps for each of them. I got these from school, to be honest. And then I actually eat the fruits inside them, but like, yeah. Okay, so I have like 3 more boxes, to be honest. Oh, I can't get this on top of that. Alright, so then I have some more containers in here. Like, yeah, I got this at Five Below for $5. There's like a lot of containers in here. This big one that's holding everything is 3 liters large, so yeah. And then I have one more box left. In this box. Hey, nothing happened. People, nothing happened. Except that everything fell out of my box, but that's fine. Boy, so yeah, nothing happened. Okay, so in here, oh my glitters fell out. Like what? What? WT. Oh, okay. Just kidding. Okay. I have 3 bottles of regular Elmer's glue. I just flipped. Okay, 3. Okay, and then I have some containers in here. I think I have like 16 or 8. 16 or 8. I think that's 8 in there. Okay. And then I have the taps for them. Okay. And then my excited. The part that makes me excited is the glitters part. Okay, so let me show you all the glitters. I'm pretty sure I showed this on the last review, but let's just show it again. So, these are mermaid glitters. I got them at Five Below too. I don't usually shop at Five Below, but that's where we went to get something for my brother, and I ended up getting a lot of slime material. So these 3 glitters. Okay, so let me get this glitter right there. Oh, okay, yeah, that totally works. Okay, so this is purple glitter, and this is a mermaid glitter, I guess. I don't know, just the color purple I love. Like, snack. Okay, sorry. Then this is blue glitter, mermaid glitter, I guess too. Pink glitter. There we go. Wait, let's carry on with the sequins now. These are blue sequins. Let me see if I can find another sequin. Okay. These are iridescent sequins. These are like flower sequins, I guess. As you can see, they're like shaped like a flowers and just sequins. Then these are just like rocks. I don't really know how to describe them. They're like flakes. I don't know if it's focused. Can you like focus now? These are the flakes. I have these 2 colors of the flakes. And then I have the pink one as I was showing before. And that's basically the review. So, okay. Hope you enjoyed this review. And I'll see you guys next time when I make the Daiso Clay slime. Yeah. So, yeah, hope to see you in the Daiso Clay slime. Hope you like and subscribe to this video. To all my other videos, go check them all out. And hope you subscribe to this channel. Did I say subscribe to all my videos? I meant like if I did say subscribe. I'm really sorry. So I hope you go like all my videos. I hope you like this video. Hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. Leave your comment below of what you want to see in this channel, and I'll try to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and bye.